Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. If you have seen all the previous videos, you are now able to set up the machine, the tooling, and to make a bend. With this last tutorial, we will explain all the machine functions and how to create a complete program. We have performed our test bend. Now, I recall a program I have created previously. You select from the HD the name of the program and you load it. This program contains bends to the left, to the right, and the push bending. Again, you can see the 3D of the part. This is a bed frame, for example. And as you can see here, this is the push bending stack. So, when you put 3 here, the color will change to red. When you change the bending direction, it will turn to light blue. Basically, to program the first and the second stacks, nothing changed. Length, bend angle, rotation, speed, mandrel extraction, clamp open and clamp close. Another nice feature is the copy cell. For example, here I have missed the anticipated mandrel retraction. So you click on the first line, then this button, copy cell, and it copies the value in all below cells. The same here. I have missed the opening position of the roll. So you just click here, if everything is the same of course, and you copy all the cells. The only difference is regarding the push bending. You have 2 ways to program. You can insert the radius that you want to obtain, and the machine automatically calculates the angle. Or you program an angle of 5 degrees and the machine calculates automatically the radius. Other important fields are these 2. This is the pre-opening and the pre-closing of the arm. What does it mean? The arm will first move to 10.2 degrees in a length of 50 millimeters. If I open the bend arm at 15 degrees altogether and then I start pushing, I can have overload problems. So I write on the control that on this 50 millimeter, the bend arm go to 10.2. It's here. And the same have to be done when you go back to 0. On the last 35 millimeter, the bend arm will go back to 0. The result is also an homogeneous bend without any necks. You can see the 3D. You click and run the anti-simulation. My simulation is okay in this case. You may have seen that I have 140, 170, 170, 140, 170. I split these 2 lines because after this bend I would go directly on the second stack and then move 170 millimeter forward. And there was a collision. So I split this line. First move out 85 millimeter, then change stack, move to the second level, and then move at 85 mm forward and make the bend. This is just to avoid a collision while changing stacks. My simulation was okay, so I go in manual, I download the program, I check my tube length is 2000, the developed length, the collet, everything okay. Collet stop at 35 mm is okay. Turn the key to automatic and make your bend.
Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!